just the very threshold of an expanded and permanent presence in space. And this will be marked by an even greater involvement in private investment in entrepreneurial companies going after those trails that have been blazed by NASA.
We're doing an exploration program to go back to the moon, to go on to Mars. It's going to be an international activity, it's going to be a commercial activity, and all of the contributions from those different elements need to fit together and work the first time when they're in space.
Aerospace and defense has a long history of innovation. Today, what's changing in that is the speed at which innovation is occurring. And that's really being driven by software.
The people that are getting prepared now to go into manufacturing and aerospace, they have to be trained on the tools, they have to understand computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing.
The tools that Siemens provided to my students, to my team, and the training with which they learn to use these tools has been fundamental to our success.
Our Go PLM program creates partnerships between Siemens and academia. One example of that is the one that we've got here with GeorgiaTech. So what that does is we provide the same sets of software tools for those engineers to use in their curriculum, and that is the same tool set they'll see in industry.
We are extremely excited about our growing partnership with Siemens. It is one that's been in place for quite some time.
Now GeorgiaTech joins a list of just 9 universities globally that become part of Siemens' Center of Knowledge Interchange.
The relationship between GeorgiaTech and Siemens benefits our students by giving them real-world experiences, by exposing them to a global company.
Over the next 5 to 10 years here in the U.S., we're going to need thousands of new engineering talent, IT talent, software talent, and this is one of the great universities to get that.
In order for us to be able to implement and to create the products that will use those technologies, we need the people. We need the people that are trained, that are prepared, and that's where we need GeorgiaTech.
I want to reach out to that 8 or 10-year-old kid and get them excited about finding life beyond Earth, about exploring a whole new world. You're inspiring that next generation to go into STEM careers.
Everything you touch every day was designed and developed by an engineer. And that requires science, math, physics, and it requires people that are creative and innovative. The satisfaction you get from doing that is unmatchable.